Hi Rajat, I'm really glad to hear that you're thinking about investing in your own home. It's a big milestone. Since you have just relocated, I would recommend focusing on a few key factors before making a final decision. First and foremost, look for a neighborhood that's safe, well connected, and has essential amenities like grocery stores, schools, and medical centers nearby. A quiet residential area with good public transport links would make daily life far more convenient. In terms of the property itself, consider a moderately sized house, perhaps a 2 or 3 bedroom place. That will give you enough space for comfort, future guests, or even a home office without being too expensive to maintain. Location is crucial too. Try to find a place that's not too far from your workplace, but also away from overly congested or industrial zones. Check if the area is growing in value, as that will make it a smart long term investment. Finally, always get the property professionally inspected before you buy. It's easy to overlook structural issues or hidden costs. Buying a house is a big decision, but with careful planning, you will find a home that's both comfortable and a wise investment. Let me know if you want help researching options. I'm happy to assist. A few months ago, I visited a local electronics store to purchase a new laptop. After bringing it home, I realized the device had a persistent overheating issue, which made it nearly unusable. I returned to the showroom the next day and spoke directly with the store manager. I explained the problem in detail and emphasized how disappointing it was to receive a defective product despite paying a premium price. To their credit, the manager was quite understanding. He arranged for a technician to inspect the device immediately, and after confirming the issue, he offered me a full replacement without any additional cost. Overall, I appreciated how professionally the situation was handled, and it reinforced my belief voicing concerns respectfully often leads to fair outcomes. In this image, a group of four children, accompanied by a teacher, is standing in front of a large, visually striking fish tank, which forms the backdrop of the scene. Both the children and the teacher are dressed in uniforms, suggesting that they are likely part of a school group or an organized educational outing. To the left of the teacher, two girls can be seen wearing backpacks. Their animated expressions and enthusiastic posture imply that they are fully engaged and excited by what they are observing. On the teacher's right side, two boys are also present, each with a backpack, and one of them is holding a book, possibly taking notes or identifying marine species. They too appear to be absorbed in the experience. Inside the tank, several marine mammals glide through the water with grace, captivating the attention of the group. The presence of these majestic creatures evokes a sense of awe and curiosity. In addition, smaller fish can be seen darting through the water, adding vibrancy and dynamism to the aquatic setting. Overall, the image captures a delightful blend of learning and wonder, highlighting a meaningful educational experience in a stimulating environment. Based on the scene, it's quite likely that the group is on a school field trip to an aquarium or marine education center. Given the children's enthusiasm and the teacher's attentive presence, I would predict that this visit is a part of a larger educational program aimed at introducing students to marine biology or environmental science. After observing the marine life, the students might participate in an interactive session, perhaps a guided tour, a hands on activity, or a short educational presentation. The boy holding the book may take notes or sketch what he sees, which could later be used for a class assignment or group discussion back at school. I also anticipate that this experience will leave a lasting impression on the children. Being exposed to such an immersive environment could spark their curiosity and possibly even inspire some of them to take an interest in marine conservation or science related careers in the future. Dear Uncle, after thoroughly evaluating the available options for your new transportation business, I firmly believe that the whole career trailer stands out as the most practical and strategic choice. It features an ergonomically designed interior, ensuring optimal comfort for the driver during extended journeys. The inclusion of a tilt steering mechanism significantly enhances movability, particularly in confined or challenging spaces. Moreover, the anti lock braking system is a vital safety asset, effectively reducing the risk of wheel lockup during abrupt stops. Fuel efficiency is also a critical consideration for the long term viability of any transport operation, and in this regard, the whole career trailer performs exceptionally well. While the Peterbilt 330 does offer some attractive features such as tilt out fender door access and Reshit operator tire straps, the whole career trailer, priced at just $999, delivers a more balanced combination of reliability, driver comfort, operational safety, and cost efficiency. I strongly recommend moving forward with the whole career trailer as I'm confident it will play a pivotal role in the success and sustainability of your new business venture. Warm regards, Arshika. Dear friend, I respect your choice of the side curtain trailer as a potential option. While I understand its appeal, after conducting a thorough comparison of both models, I remain convinced that the whole career trailer is more advantageous and practical choice. Though the side curtain trailer features tops and flexible PVC coated vinyl style curtains that offer decent protection, the whole career trailer distinguishes itself with an ergonomically designed interior and tilt steering, both of which are critical for ensuring driver comfort and ease of movability during long distance hauls and challenging road conditions. These features not only enhance operational efficiency but also contribute significantly to drivers' well being and performance. In addition, the whole career trailer has anti lock braking system and it is fuel efficient too. Although the side curtain trailer offers quick forklift access through its automated shuttering mechanism, the overall utility, safety, and value delivered by the whole career trailer, especially at a competitive price point of $999, make it a superior investment. In conclusion, I'm confident that the whole career trailer, with its focus on comfort, reliability, and economic efficiency, will significantly contribute to the long term success of your father's business. Hello, sir. I hope you are doing well. I wanted to discuss an urgent personal matter that has arisen. While preparing for our important company presentation, I received distressing news that my grandmother has been hospitalized in critical condition. My father has urged me to return immediately to see her. I understand the significance of the upcoming presentation and my role in it. However, given the circumstances, I kindly request if it's possible to reschedule the presentation or delegate my part to a colleague. I am willing to provide all necessary materials and brief someone thoroughly to ensure a smooth transition. I apologize for any inconvenience this may cause and appreciate your understanding during this difficult time. Please let me know how you would like to proceed. Thank you for your support. Arshika. Hi, Dad. I just received your message about Grandma's hospitalization, and I can't express how deeply concerned I am. I want nothing more than to be by her side during this critical time. However, I am currently away for an essential company presentation that has been scheduled for months. This presentation is pivotal for my career, and leaving abruptly could have significant repercussions. Please understand that this decision is incredibly difficult for me. I have always prioritized family, and not being there feels heart wrenching. I have already reached out to my manager to see if there is any possibility of rescheduling, but given the circumstances, it's unlikely. I promise to visit Grandma at the earliest opportunity. In the meanwhile, please keep me updated on her condition. If there is any way I can assist from here, let me know. My thoughts and prayers are with her, and I hope for her swift recovery. In my opinion, safeguarding the environment is a shared responsibility that necessitates both governmental intervention and individual commitment. Government possesses the authority and resources to implement large scale policies, enforce environmental regulations, and invest in sustainable infrastructure. For example, legislation aimed at reducing carbon emissions and promoting renewable energy sources can significantly mitigate environmental degradation. However, individual actions are equally crucial. Everyday choices such as reducing waste, Conserving energy and supporting eco-friendly products collectively contribute to environmental preservation. Moreover, public awareness and education can drive grassroots movements that holds government and corporations accountable. Therefore, a collaborative approach wherein governments enact and enforce environmental policies and individuals adopt sustainable practices is essential to ensure a healthy planet for future generations. Hello, sister. I'm currently at an incredible clothing store and stumbled upon a unique t shirt that immediately reminded me of you. It's a black half sleeve tee featuring a captivating solar system design. At the center is a radiant sun with 9 planets orbiting around it, each labeled in vibrant colors that mirror their real life counterparts, just like we learned in school. Unfortunately, photography is not permitted here, so I can't share a picture. However, I believe this t shirt would be a perfect addition to your wardrobe. The one I saw is a large size, but I'm confident they have other sizes available to ensure a perfect fit for you. Would you like me to purchase it for you?